Thing you hear all the time is I want to use Supered, but I want to make sure that people are actually seeing things that are applicable to them. And I need to be able to make sure I can hide things from other teams, like maybe sensitive information, commissions, etc. Can I do that with Supered? The answer is yes. In this episode of Illuminating Supered, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your bases and your group so that only that information you want to be served can be served. Let's dive into it. Now, the star of the show here is actually setting up your groups inside of Supered. Now, your groups are where you can actually house everyone and make things like cards, process rules, and now bases only applicable so that they see them. So inside your settings and team groups, you can create a group here and notice that you can do parent groups inside parent groups. So there can be a hierarchy in case you have something like cells and everyone in cells needs to see it, but you don't need North American cells to see everything that maybe South American cells are seeing. So you can have a hierarchy depending on how you need it. Not only that, but we can import your teams from HubSpot. So if you're like, I've already done this, I don't want to do this again, don't worry, we've got your back. Go ahead and import them from HubSpot. Now that you've made your group, you can understand that you can make cards, process rules, updates that are all team group specific. But now you can actually do bases. Bases, the best way to think about it, are going to be the top level of your folder structure in a folder drive. Bases are now able to be edited so that individual teams can see them. For example, apply group here. I can make sure that only one group sees what's going on in my scratchpad. This means that you can now hide confidential information. You can have one that's just for your HR, and you can start tidying and cleaning up your sidekick by making sure that your teams are only seeing the bases that they need to with the relevant information. As always, stay awesome, stay supered, and go build those groups.